This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Pam Sharon. Extraordinary nearly new custom-built luxury home at Lakehouse Cove in Sarasota. The modified Nautica floor plan by award-winning Lee Wetherington Homes is filled with premium finishes and upgrades. The generous open floor plan with great room, high vaulted ceiling, premium upgraded kitchen with solid wood flat panel European-style cabinets, Wolf and Sub-Zero brand appliances, quartz tops with waterfall and bonus room that all open to the amazing outdoor living area. Covered sitting area with TV hookup, a fully equipped summer kitchen, beautiful saltwater heated pool and spa with full view screen overlooking the beautiful private Florida landscape beyond. Each bedroom has its own ensuite bath, spacious closets, plus a fourth full bath off the bonus room that also serves as a pool bath. The owner's suite is undoubtedly one of the most appealing you will see. A simply luxurious bath expanded to have a larger two-person walk-in shower, soaking tub, built-in cabinetry, automatic toto toilet, and backlit mirrors. This home has a contemporary flair with the addition of beautiful pendant lighting, ceiling fans, bath vanities and one-piece toilets. It's also tech-forward, being wired for a Control4 system, surround sound, Ring doorbell, hidden-in-wall speakers, and programmable thermostat. Lakehouse Cove at Waterside is a highly sought-after community in award-winning Lakewood Ranch with awesome resident amenities such as fitness, tennis, swimming, pickle and bocce ball, doggie parks, event lawn and boathouse too. For more fun, you'll enjoy Waterside, a lakeside town center plus Lakewood Main Street, Benderson Park, several golf clubs and just a short ride to downtown Sarasota. So much to see. Call and arrange for your private showing today. This home will not disappoint. For more information, review the details below or contact Pam Sharon at 941-993-3388.